Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Uber Eats for corporate orders. In order to use Uber Eats for corporate order, you just have to follow the steps. You have to create a free Uber for business account. So you have to go to this link, that is uber.com/business solutions/eat overview. So click on get started and start creating your account. Now in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and select sign up now, and at the bottom, after you've done that, so select your business partner. Once done with that as well, you need to choose a merchant. As soon as you're done selecting the merchant, select group order in an app or start group order or ubereats.com. Now edit the detailed order such as the delivery address, pending limit, or the routine as well. Select share a link and to send your team and add your item to order. Once everyone has added their item, select view order and go to checkout. Log order and continue to prevent all other from editing or adding items. Now review the order details and follow the on-screen instructions and select the place group order. This will be your Uber Eats for corporate orders. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.